Welcome everyone, this is how to replace a hard drive with Sean and Austin.
Sometimes you have an accident with your laptop. You may drop it or spill something on it that may cause the hard drive to fail. In cases like this, replacing the hard drive is necessary. In other instances, the main board or CPU might fail. Then you have to remove the hard drive to save your data. In this video, we will show you how easy it is to remove and install a hard drive. When saving a hard drive data, you will need this adapter to transfer the data to your new computer. You will also need the following screwdrivers. Now we will show you step by step how to remove the hard drive from this laptop safely.
I'm going to show you how to change out a hard drive today. But first, let's tell you what not to do when changing out any parts on your computer. The first thing you don't do is work with a lot of carpet or static electricity buildup materials near you. So this laptop needs to be unplugged and the battery removed. Once you do that, you need to make sure that your static electricity is off your body. Touching something metal like this part here, or touching something metal on the laptop itself, like the frame. That's the number one thing you do not do, is build up static electricity. It can cause damage to the motherboard or other parts inside the laptop. The other thing you don't do is have any food or drinks around you to cause accidents. If I had a cup of coffee here and it spilled, goodbye laptop. Thank you. We'll show you the components necessary to take care of this job, taking out the hard drive. First of all, you remove the battery like this. Then you need to remove 4 screws which are located here. And the hard drive is located here under that panel. Already removed the panel with the 4 screws we told you about earlier. Easily slides out. You have to use the flathead screwdriver to kind of pry it up on the side a little bit. Set that aside. We've already removed the battery. Set it aside. There were 2 screws here and here, which I've already pre-removed. They're in this bag right there so you don't lose them. Now, you grab the hard drive itself and lift up and pull. It's not as easy as it sounds. Pull it right out. There's the hard drive. You do not have to remove the case from it. Set it off to the side. Now, if you have information on this hard drive because it's still good, you use the adapter cable, plugs in here, like so, and then the USB portion plugs into your new computer, like so. Now to reinstall the hard drive, just do everything in reverse, like this. Put all the screws back in, and that's it.